Drones have been a hot commodity for a while now. In this video, we break down how to make money with a drone. Drones are becoming a popular choice of tool among the average consumer. Insurance companies, realtors, developers, and many others have found that these mini flying machines have opened up many possibilities for additional income. For those who have some experience with them, you can make money with a drone. As a rule of thumb, you have to have some kind of skill to be able to make money with a drone. There are many different ways that one can make money with a drone. 1. Movie making. Drones are becoming a very popular tool for movie makers. This is because they provide the capability of getting shots that were previously impossible to get with a regular camera. In many cases, these shots are required for making a movie come alive. With the rise in drone technology, it is likely that using drones for movie making will continue to increase. 2. Drone lawyer. The legal aspect of drone law can be a highly lucrative business as well. Many people are not aware that they can get involved in the legal aspects of drone law. This is because there are many laws that govern the use of drones. These laws typically govern drones as if they were a common aircraft. Obviously, since drones have become very popular, there will be more and more cases that arise regarding their use against landowners and others who have property around airports or other areas where drones may fly. If you have experience in law and want to use drones for legal purposes, you can start by starting your own business as a drone lawyer. 3. Drone model making. One of the uses for commercial drones is model making. If you have experience in this area, then you may want to consider starting your own commercial drone business. In this case, you can simply build models that clients want to be made. This is very different from the other kinds of money-making services. Number 4. Drone consulting. Another way you can make money with your drone is to offer them as consulting services. In this case, you will be hired by other people who want to use drones for their business. In many cases, you will be asked to review the drones and provide feedback on their use. In some cases, your clients may be interested in the kinds of videos that can be made with a drone. Either way, you can start this kind of business by purchasing a site that reviews drones and writing articles about them. Number 5. Drone reselling. If you are just getting started with your drone business, then you may want to consider resale. And since this is the biggest market for drones, you will probably be successful with this idea. You can purchase or lease a cheap drone and resell it as a package that includes all of the parts and accessories you need. This can be easier than building your own drone because you will not have to perform extensive research on what accessories to buy. 6. Drone for construction. Construction companies are typically eager to avoid dangerous situations or injuries and are happy to welcome any safety measures that can help them. Do this. Drones can be used for inspecting buildings before they are even built, which ensures that all possible hazards have been corrected. They can also be used for construction worker personal protection, which makes them much more accessible than before, saving time and money when inspections need to be performed. 7. Drone for emergency. This is a common use of drones as well. Since they are able to fly low, drones can help in search and rescue missions or emergency situations. You could start a business that specializes in this kind of work if you have the kind of skills required for such a job. 8. Forensics. Forensics is a big business that revolves around studying crime scenes to find clues leading to a suspect or motive. Drones can be used for investigative purposes and can also be used to gather evidence. 9. Wedding photography. With the popularity of drones on the rise, their use for footage and action photography continues to grow as well. Drones have been popular additions to wedding photo sessions because they can travel above the wedding party and capture unique vantage points of the ceremony or reception. 10. Aerial advertising and mapping. If you needed to get the word out about your new burger restaurant through a video or photo shoot, then you could use a drone to capture the footage and pictures. This type of advertisement is much more visually appealing than traditional methods because it allows viewers to see certain parts of your business that they would not have seen before without the use of a drone. Drones can be used to map out areas that are difficult for people to access, including mountains and cliffside. In addition, the drone can then return to base camp with this valuable information, so it does not need to be manually mapped out by a team of people. Drones are also used by various governments for surveillance. For example, there have been a number of cases in which drones have been used to monitor the movements of suspects. This practice is widespread because it enables law enforcement agencies to ensure that their operations are carried out safely and efficiently. Journalists use them to report on events. Drones are great for news footage. They can be used to film things like the aftermath of natural disasters, wildfires, etc. There are many different ways that people can make money with drones, and there is no limit to what these people might do with them. You find the complete article link description below. Check out. Don't forget to like, subscribe.